Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another review for you guys. I'm going to review this TROIPEEL H+ Awakening Your Skin Cushion Foundation. Napakita ko to sa previous haul ko. I asked you guys if you want me to do a review and I'm not sure if you want me to do a review on this because again, I'm not familiar with the brand. Tapos, yung website nila, yung Facebook nila is Korean. But some of you guys said yes, you want to see a review. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it. I will leave all the information below, the prices, the website, even though it's Korean. Pero maybe I have viewers from Korea, like, who knows? The brand is TROIPEEL. Yung actual product looks like this. Meron siyang free extra sponge. Meron na din siyang sponge na kasama in here. Ganito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang mirror. Medyo bulky yung packaging niya. Nandito yung isang sponge. Tapos, meron siyang ganyang ganap. Like, nagka-cover sa actual product. You open it like that. Tapos, meron pa siyang sticker na nagpo-protect sa actual cushion. And that's what it looks like right there. First impression when I swatched the product on my hand, I was like, oh my gosh, that's white. Because when you look at the product from here, it looks like it has a really nice yellow undertone. But when you like actually put it on your skin, it's white and it's just like, how did that happen? Yeah, so see, so freaking light. They only have one shade because it's supposed to match your skin tone, like blend in your skin, match your skin tone. As of now, I can't say that it's 100% matching my skin tone. I did apply a darker powder just to kind of make it work because kanina pag-apply ko, sobrang light niya sa skin tone ko. Meron rin tong SPF 50+, PA+++. So 50+, like what? Sabi dito, the TROIPEEL H+ cushion gives a perfect natural cover with refreshed look. Yes, we'll see. I will go ahead and apply this, you guys. I did fill in my brows, pero I don't have anything on my face except for the moisturizer that I use on a daily. That's the Eye Aqua Moisturizing Vita. As you can see, I have redness around my nose. Tapos meron akong mga blemishes like all over my face and even yung skin tone ko. I will start on this side of my face first. I'm gonna use the sponge that came in here and I'm just gonna press it on here and then start dabbing it on my face like so. You know what? I will use my fingers and apply the product and then I'm going to use the sponge to blend it in. Oh yeah, that looks really freaking light. Yung amoy niya parang medyo parang may chemical na amoy or parang herbal. Ganon. Right here, I still can see the blemish that I have right here. Redness around my nose is not totally covered. It did even out my skin tone, but that's basically it. This time I'm going to use a brush instead of the sponge. I will be using this mushroom brush that I got from Pretty Angel shop. I actually really like it with just the brush, you guys, and not the sponge. So I will go ahead and blend this other side of my face with a brush kasi mas maganda yung finish kapag brush yung ginamit. Bongga tong brush na to ha, mataba, pandak, pero maraming nagagawa. Bongga! I don't like the sponge that comes with it. I just don't think it's blending the product well. Still way too light on me, but we'll see. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I do have oily skin. Very light lang yung coverage niya, but I really like the finish. You know what? I will go ahead and apply more on my blemishes and see if makakover siya. Okay, and let's use the sponge this time. Now, it covered the redness around my nose. So, 2 thin layers of this foundation covers redness. I still can see my blemishes though. I will also go ahead and apply some on my neck because my neck and my face is just not matching right now. It's crazy. This is what it looks like right now, you guys, after mga 3 to 5 minutes. Hindi pa rin siya nagmamatch sa skin tone ko. I will go ahead and apply a powder. I'm gonna use a powder that is just a tad bit darker on my skin tone. I will be using my Revlon Nearly Naked powder. This is in the shade medium or deep. If this foundation matched my skin tone, I would not apply a powder because I really like the way it's looking on my face right now. There you go. I feel like it's looking decent right now. Not as bad as kanina. Again, I really like the way it looks on the face. face. It's just that it's way too light on me. It's crazy. I will go ahead and take a flash photo. It actually doesn't look that bad at all. Parang ang ganda ng skin ko tignan. Yeah, I'm digging that picture. I'm liking that. So far, okay naman siya. We'll see how it will last. It is now 10:48 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. It is now 3:17 ng hapon and the foundation is still here. That's a good news. The bad news is, ganun pa rin siya. Maputi pa rin siya sa mukha ko. It looks fine naman. It's not like super bad, but it didn't really like completely match my skin tone, if you know what I mean. Medyo oily na ako tingnan, but for me, this amount of oil on my face is nothing kasi nga I have really oily skin. I still can say na flawless pa rin naman tingnan yung face ko. Yeah, yung blush ko nandun pa rin and it doesn't feel heavy on the face at all. Super lightweight niya you guys. Parang wala lang siya sa skin. Though, nung pag-apply ko kanina, hindi siya ganun kadali i-blend. Medyo may pagka-thick yung consistency niya. Pero right now, sa face ko, sobrang okay siya. Sa feeling sa face, the only thing that I don't like with this as of now is hindi pa rin siya nag-match sa skin tone ko. And I don't think mag-match siya at all sa skin tone ko. Anyway, I will go ahead and blot kasi medyo oily na yung aking T-zone. That's the amount of oil I got. Again, not bad at all. If you have lighter skin tone than mine, then this will look amazing on you. Kasi you guys, I really like the way it looks on the skin. I will continue wearing it, still hoping na magmamatch sa skin tone ko. But then again, I don't think so. But we'll see. It is now 8:09 ng gabi. The way this foundation stays on my face, it's amazing. Like, ilang oras na nakalipas, nandito pa rin yung foundation. Still feels really lightweight. Hindi ako overly oily tingnan. Now, parang it kind of toned down already. Parang nagmamatch na siya. Still not completely nagmatch though, which is kind of a bummer kasi I really like the finish. Again, you guys, I really like the way how it feels. Okay naman siya. Kung nagmatch siya sa skin tone ko ng bongga, I would definitely use it. Kaya lang, I can't see myself using a really light foundation on me. Well, I can't blame them naman because I don't think this is made for Filipinas. Kaya sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina, diba, na this product is from Korea. Yeah, by the way, they will come up with an English website, English Facebook soon. They're actually working on it. But yeah, it's a nice product. It's just not for me. Kung nasa Korea kayo and you have lighter skin tone than mine, then I highly suggest you try this. It's a really nice foundation, very lightweight. It controls the oil really nicely. Like, ilang oras na ha, isang beses lang ako nag-blot. Hindi ako nag-retouch at all. And this is what my face looks like. Sobrang ganda pa rin ang itsura niya sa face. But yeah, the only downside overall is just the shade. Yeah, that's basically it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!